number 6. Two interviewers gave the following scores to the candidates on the basis of their performance in the interview. Find the rank correlation coefficient between the evaluation of two interviewers. First of all, you will say let marks by first interviewer be X and marks by second interviewer be Y. So write that and the values of X and Y, all of you write it down. Okay, now other than that, one more workings we will do for
CF.
what columns do we make for CF? Ranks with type, then average rank, then M, that is number of observations in the type, and MQ minus M upon. After a few questions you'll remember the values only. Because generally you'll find 2 ties or 3. With 2 we have seen yesterday it is coming to 0.5. So 2 you always remember is 0.5 directly. One more time if it comes to 3 that also you remember. Okay? So practice on fast, then we'll continue with the ranks. I'll proceed with the ranks. So be attentive now. First rank of X. Everyone should be attentive. Highest is 47. That you'll give first rank. After that it's 44. Second rank. 40. Third rank. 35. Fourth rank. Now after 35, 28 appears 2 times. Listen everyone. After 35, 28 appears 2 times. So after rank 4, there is a tie in which ranks? 5 and 6. Okay? Ranks with tie 5 and 6. Raise your hand who did not understand it. Because next question I'll ask you. All are clear with it?
Yes.
Average 5 plus 6, 11 divided by 2, 5.5.
Yes.
5 and 6 means how many observations? So M is 2. 2 cube? 8. 8 minus 2? 6. 6 divided by 12? 0.5. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Now what is the average rank? So both 28 you will give 5.5, 5.5. Any confusion in that? All are clear up to here? This covers which ranks? 5th and 6th, so next directly 7. Means 19 you will give the rank 7. 10 you will give the rank 8. Raise your hand who wants me to explain any point again. All are clear? Now same way we do with Y. RY, highest is 45, first rank, 41, second rank, after 41, 38, third rank, after 38, now 32 comes how many times? So after rank 3, 4, 5, 6. Raise your hand who did not understand. Ranks with tie is 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 15 divided by 3, 5. Any confusion? How many observations are there here? So M is 3. Either you'll have 2 or maximum you'll have 3 generally. What is 3 cube? See this 3 cube 27. What is 27 minus 3? 24 divided by 12. So you remember the values now. 2 means 0.5, 3 means 2. Raise your hand who wants me to explain any point again. So all the 3 observations you will give which rank? 5. This 28 also 5. This 28 also 5. This 32, 5 and this 32 also 5. It covers which ranks? 4, 5 and 6. So next 7. After 32, the next number is 25. Directly you give the rank of 7. Any confusions? Disha? Any confusions? Anyone else having any confusion? After 25, 24 will get 8th rank. Got it, everyone? Anyone having any doubt in this? Now, we need to find D, which is equal to Rx minus Ry. Okay? Shall I proceed with D? Anyone still writing the ranks of Y or the workings of CF? Raise your hand. Now, 5.5 minus 5, 0.5, 2 minus 1, 1, 8 minus 7, 1, 5.5 minus 5, 0.5, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 7 minus 8 minus 1, 3 minus 3, 0. Total must come, but don't write it, check it. Negative, first positive is 0.5, 1, 2, 3, positive is 3, negative is also 3, so 0. Yes, Darshan and Jay, any confusion? Don't talk in between them. Anyone else having any doubt? Now what we need is D square. 0.5 square, 0.25, 1, 1, 0.25, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. Yes, Meet and Jay. Raise your hand who is not clear with this. And what is the total of n cube minus m upon 12? So correction factor will be equal to 2.5. Okay, correction factor will be equal to 2.5. Any confusions? Yes, Tarun and Kailash. See, when I am doing it on the board, I should not find anyone talking in between. If you are not fond of practicing much, then don't talk in between. Yes, further, R equals to 1 minus 6. Now formula will change. In bracket sigma d square plus Cf upon n into n square minus 1. Okay? Did anyone write the formula? Now 1 minus 6. What we will write in sigma d square? 5.5. Divyaji. Plus correction factor 2.5. Upon how many observations are there? 8. 8 into 8 square minus 1. Any confusions? So 1 minus 6 into 5.5 plus 2.5 is 8. 8 square is 64 minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 8 is 48. And 64 minus 1 is 63. 1 minus 48 upon 8 into 63. 504. 1 minus what is 48 upon 504? 0.1. So 0.9 means high degree of positive correlation. All okay with this? So let us know that thus there is high degree of positive correlation between marks by first interviewer and marks by second interviewer. So look at page 114, question number 6. Page 114, question 6 we are doing right now. Okay? So be attentive. Rather, I will solve 7th question and you solve 6th on your own. Okay, 7th, that is more complicated. An entrance test required to study abroad is conducted online. Question number 7, exercise 2, section F, page 140. The marks obtained in reasoning ability and English speaking in this online test having negative marking system for wrong answer by 5 students selected in sample are given below. So students ABCD, can you see the marks of reasoning ability 5, 5, 5, 5, 5? Is it X or RX? X. Marks, they are actual observations. Same way marks in English speaking means there is Y. Mr. Aryabhatta is also there scoring 0 marks. Find the rank correlation coefficient between reasoning ability and ability in English speaking. We'll define that as X and Y first. So define it as X and Y, write the values of X and Y and make the columns of that workings. Let marks in reasoning ability be X. And let marks in English speaking be Y. Just make the columns fast. Raise your hand who is still writing this workings columns. All have written it? Did you write the values of X and Y?
Yes.
X, all are 5. 5 times 5. And Y is 2 minus 2 minus 2. 0 and 2. Now, who can tell me how will we give the rank for X? Gina? Fine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. Rishabh, all are same values? All are getting first rank? Get it or not? So there is a tie in which ranks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood that? Yes, Gina, correct. Ranks with tie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise your hand who did not understand this because all are 5. All are getting first rank. Able to understand this? So directly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there is a tie. Yes, Gina, further.
1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. Divide by 5. No 5.
Divide by 5 that is 3. Average comes to 3. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15 divided by 5 that is 3. Got it everyone? Then what is that?
5.
Yes, how many observations are there in the time? 5.
125 minus 5 divided by 5.
Correct. 5 cube is 125. 125 minus 5. 120. What is 120 divided by 12? 10. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Rishabh, did you understand it? So all the values, which rank we will give? 3. Average rank means all the values will give the rank of 3. Okay, average rank is 3. So all the ranks will get 3. Got it? Rishabh, now tell me for Y. First rank. So is there a tie? Is there a tie? How many times 2 is appearing? 2 times. So tie in which ranks? First rank? Second. What will I write in ranks with tie? 1 and 2. Now how will you find the average? 1 plus 2 upon 2 by 5. 2 observations, so divide by 2. 5 therefore divide by 5. So 1 plus 2, 3 divide by 2. 1.5. You better understand it or not? Rishabh, what is it? Yes, 2 observations are there in a tie, so 2. And what is m cube minus m upon 12? Correct, sit down. Raise your hand who did not understand this. So Rishabh, what ranks we will give to both the 2 values? Both the 2 values will be given the rank of 1.5. Anyone having any doubt in this? All are clear up till here? With the 3. Next. After 1.5, 1.5. Now next, which is the next highest number?
3.
In Y, which is the next highest number after 2? 0 is more than minus 2. Which rank will give to 0?
Third.
Yes. Which ranks are covered in this 1.5, 1 and 2? So after that 0 is the next number. Which rank you will give to 0? Third. Anyone having any doubt in this? All are clear with that? Sumana, next. After 0, which is the next number? So how will we make the workings? How will we make the workings? Yes, after 3, there is a tie in 4 and 5. Then 4 plus 5, 9 divided by 2, 4.5. Two observations are there, so m is equal to 2 and 0.5. What rank will give to both? Average rank 4.5. Both the observations will give average rank of 4.5. Raise your hand who did not understand the rankings still. You have to solve next question on your own. All are clear with the rankings? Now, D values. So, Aryan, tell me all the values of D.
1.5 minus 1.5 minus 1.5 3
0.
0 and
Yes. Total comes to 0. So, now, is everyone clear with this? And Ritu, D square. 2.25. 2.25. 2.25. 0 and 2.25. So 9 is the total. Write the formula, everyone. Anyone not clear up till here? Raise your hand. Raise your hand is still writing the formula. Shall I proceed further? We'll put the figures in the formula. 1 minus 6
9
in bracket 9
minus
plus
9
yes, do you all get CF as 11 the total of m cube minus m upon 12?
Yes.
8
How many observations are there? So n is 5. 5 5 square minus 1. Did everyone understand this? Okay. Then Basha 1 minus
6 into 20.
6 into 20
5 into 25 minus 1.
5 into 25 minus 1. The way
1 minus 120 upon
5 into 24. That is 1 minus 120 upon 120. 1 minus 1, 0. Got it, everyone? So, what do you conclude about 0?
No linear.
Very good. Better, everyone, there is no linear correlation. Linear word should be mentioned when your answer comes 0, okay? There is no linear correlation between marks in reasoning ability and marks in English speaking. Got it? So now I'll discuss the sixth and you'll solve it on your own. Everyone? Should I discuss the sixth question? Clear ender? The following data is obtained to know the relation between maximum day temperature and the sale of ice cream in Ahmedabad city. So you'll denote maximum temperature as and sale of ice cream as 1. Put your pens down. I'm discussing it, so be attentive. I'm discussing so that you don't have any trouble in solving it. Dhruv, maximum temperature first rank.
900
Temperature 900. The world will be over. So now 45 will be given first rank. Got it, everyone? Then Pruta second.
44.
44. Ravlani third.
tie between 40.
Yes, so tie between 40. How many times is there? So 3, 4, 5. 42 is there. After 44, 42. Third rank will be 42.
Yeah.
Then 40 is there 3 times. So tie in 4, 5, 6. That workings you'll be able to do it. After 4, 5, 6, next number. Which number? 7. 39 you'll directly give 7. 39 you'll directly give which rank? 7th rank. Okay. After 39, 35, 8th rank. Over. Same way, sale of ice cream, what is the highest rank? 1. Then 900, second. Then now 752 times. So after second there is a time 3 and 4. So here you make the workings for 3 and 4. Then next 720 directly number 5, rank 5. Then 680, 6th rank, 630, 7th rank, 600, 8th rank. Any confusions? Start solving. Yes, now we are in there. In question number 6, can you see ranks are directly given? But do you find same ranks anywhere? Which one? 3.5. Anywhere else? No. So there is only one type. No need of X and Y columns. Same way, which columns are not required in CF? Because observations are not given, these 2 columns are also not required. Directly we have M. There is a tie in which number of ranks? 2 ranks. Directly M is 2. You will understand it? So here we don't need the columns of, and here we don't need the column of rank and average, because average rank is already assigned. We don't need to assign the rank, average rank is already assigned. Any confusion in that? Let us solve it. He'll say let rank in test 1 be Rx and let rank in test 2, stop talking in between, test 2 be Ry. So directly write the values of Rx and Ry. 5, 1, 2, 3.5, 3.5. Who is talking still in between continuously, that too? Then 7, 1, 4, 6, 5, 3 and 2. I am just showing M's calculation, rest you do on your own. Can you do it on your own? D square, etc.
Yes.
See here, this is the only observation repeated. Anywhere else do you find same numbers? So can I say that M is 2?
Yes.
The number of observations in repetition must have been 2. What is 2 cube minus 2 upon 12?
0.5.
And that itself is CF. Because only one time repetition is there. Will you be able to do it further on your own?
Yes.
Complete it fast. 0.13, everyone got it?
Yes.
Now look at section F, question 12. Section F, question number 12. Be attentive. It's a short question, all the information is directly given, we just have to apply the formula. Zero point 1 After 1 2, what is it?
5.
So 1 3. Third digit is 5 or more than 1 3. Again you're not getting it. Do it 294 divided by 336 again. 0.86. 0.875 means 88. 0.875 means 88. Or 875. 8875, sir. 0.875 you minus, you get 0.125, that's 0.13. Now, look at question number 12. The information of health index X and Valerie, life expectancy Y is obtained for 10 people. With yes, write down n equals to 10 first of all. Further, these data are ranked to find the rank correlation, and the sum of squares of the ranks was found to be 42.5. Others misprinting, make it sum of squares of difference in ranks. Make it difference in ranks. Insert the word difference in ranks. Shall I repeat the correction? Now sum of squares of difference in ranks was found to be 42.5. So Tejaswini, yes, sum of squares of difference in ranks means sigma d square is 42.5. Now it was also observed that health index 70 was repeated 3 times. Anant? Sorry. Health index 70 was repeated 3 times. M equals to 2. It's repeated 3 times and M equals to 2. Wow, fantastic. 70 is repeated 3 times, so M is equal to 3 by 2. Directly all of you write down M is equal to 3. So what will be M cube minus M upon 12? 2. 3 cube 27 minus 3 24 divided by 12. 2. Raise your hand who did not understand why M is equal to 3. Underline that 3 times. 70 is repeated 3 times means M is equal to 3. Further, life expectancy 45 was repeated twice. Now M equals to 2. So 2 cube minus 2 upon 12 is 0.5. Means, can I say 2.5 is the correction factor?
Yes.
Now can you apply the formula on your own?
Yes.
Apply that.
0.780.
All of you solve the formula on your own. Anyone who wants me to explain this question again? Look at question number 11 now. Be attentive. And 11 mark is important for 2 or 3 marks. Daily calorie intake of 10 persons. Divyaji. Calorie intake of 10 persons. You intake some calories every day, na? Let us n equals to 10. Is X and their weight is Y. The rank correlation coefficient from this information is obtained as 0.6. Krina, what is 0.6? Read the sentence loudly. Read the sentence loudly. That sentence I have already read. What are you doing when I am reading the question? Why you are not attentive? Read the next sentence.
The rank of correlation of coefficient for this information is 0.
What is 0.6? How will you denote it? What will you write? Yes, be attentive when I am discussing. Don't talk in between. So now, all of you write down R equals to 0.6. Okay, rank correlation coefficient is 0.6 means R equals to 0.6. On subsequent verification, it was noticed that the difference of ranks of X and Y for one person was taken as 2 instead of 4. First of all, underline difference in rank means, can I say D?
Yes.
Now taken as 2 instead of 4 means 2 is wrongly taken. Instead of 4 means it is the correct value. So write it this way. Difference in rank means D. Was taken as 2, so wrong is 2. Instead of 4 means correct is 4. Any confusion?
No.
So what would be the D square taken wrongly
4.
and correct?
16.
Now raise your hand. What shall we do for it? First we will find wrong sigma D square. Applying the formula of R. If you apply the formula of R, only sigma D square is missing. We assume there is no tie in the rank because M is not given. So you will apply which formula? Without CF. Got it, everyone? And applying that formula, we will get sigma D square. But that will be wrong sigma D square because one difference is taken 2 instead of 4. So first let us do that. Write down R equals to 1 minus 6 sigma D square upon n into n square minus 1. Okay? May I put all the values?
0.6.
R is given as 0.6, so on the left side we will write 0.6. 1 minus
6 sigma
sigma D square we have to find
about 10 into 10 square minus.
upon 10 into 10 square minus 1. Any confusions?
No.
Then Mithul, next step.
0.6 into 990.
No, that's wrong. 6 sigma D square upon 10 into 100 minus 1. I hate when you skip the steps. All the steps should be written. So up till 990, is everyone clear with this? Okay, 10 square will become 100. 100 minus 1 is 99. 10 into 99 is 990. Read out till here fast, everyone. Yes, Mithul, what did you say now the next step?
0.6 into 990.
Wrong. When can you do 0.6 into 990? Listen everyone, 0.6 into 990 is wrong. That can be done if it is whole upon 990. Is it whole divided by 990?
No.
You cannot do 0.6 into 990. Now tell me what is the next step.
990 minus 6 sigma D square. 0.6 equal to 1 minus 990 minus 6 sigma D square.
Upon 990. Correct, but there is a simple way. Either first you find the LCM 990 into 1. 990 minus 6 sigma D square upon 990, then you can multiply, then it becomes whole upon. I'll tell you a simpler way. Bring this whole thing on the left side, so minus will become plus. Bring 0.6 on the right side, so plus will become minus. Got it? This whole thing, bring it on the left side. 6 sigma D square upon 990. Minus on the left side becomes plus. Any confusion? Remember?
Can you explain now?
This whole factor which is subtracted, you bring on the left side, so it becomes plus. 0.6 you bring on the right side, so it becomes minus. Raise your hand who did not understand it. What mistake should not be done here? 0.6 into 9. Who tried to solve it faster and did that mistake? Who else? So don't do that mistake. Is everyone clear with this? When can you do into 990? When it is whole upon. Any confusions in that? Now, what is 1 minus 0.6?
0.4.
0.4. Got it, everyone? This is your next step.
Sigma d square equals to 990 into 0.
Yes, 990 will get multiplied. What is that coming to?
396.
396. Any confusions with this? Raise your hand. Then, Mewadi?
Sigma d square equals to 396 divided by 6.
Yes, 6 on the right side will get divided. 396 divided by 6.
66.
50.
66.
66. But this is wrong. Our answer is right. It is wrong means one difference is taken as 2 instead of 4. So actually 66 is the wrong one. Because one observation is taken wrong. Now how would you find the correct sigma d square? Raise your hand. Khushi?
66 minus 4 plus 16.
Yes. What we have taken wrongly, you will subtract it. And what should we take correct? You will add it. In Tal Pearson's also we did that. With sigma x, sigma y, sigma x square, y square, x square everywhere. So from 66 you will minus 4 and add 16. Write down. Therefore, correct sigma d square is equal to 66 minus 4 plus 16, 78. Now this whole formula we will reapply with the correct sigma d square, that is 70. Got it everyone? So again, correct R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into, now what will you take sigma d square? 78 upon n, 10 into 10 square minus 1. 1 minus 468 upon 10 into 100 minus 1. 1 minus 468 upon 10 into 99. 1 minus 468 upon 990. What is 468 upon 990?
0.47.
And 0.5. Any confusion in this?
No.
So the rank correlation is also completely